Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to add widgets on your iPhone. So to add widgets, what you're going to do is just go to your home screen, then hold on an empty space or on an app until you go into edit mode. And then we're going to press the edit button on the top left. Let me do that again. There we go. Then we're going to press Add Widget. And here you have all of the widgets that are on your phone. So some widgets have been built into your iPhone already, but some widgets also come with apps. So for example, as you can see, Gmail is really an app that you get with your iPhone, but I've downloaded it and I also get like a widget for the Gmail app. So just select the widget that you want. So I'm going to select this one. You can also change sizes or like different views. So I'm going to do this one. I'm going to press Add Widget, and there we go. Now you can just place it anywhere on your screen. There are also different sizes for some widgets. So just once you placed it wherever you want, you can press Done, and your options will be saved. And now, as you can see, you have this widget. Now you also have widgets like on the left here. You have this left side where all of the widgets are available, and you can also edit this one, like this page. So just hold on pretty much anything again, press Edit, Add Widgets, and you can do the same thing. For example, I'm going to do Google Photos. I'm going to select the small one, press Add Widget, and here, as you can see, the widget is now on the bottom. I can place it higher, and I can even resize it. So if you press this little like draggable icon, you can change the size of your widget. So these are all of the sizes available. You have this one, you have this one, and the little one. So once I'm done, I'm just gonna press Done, and that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.